Today I will present a presentation about design of multipurpose instrument for ranging of satellites and space debris and for remote sensing in atmosphere. Our team is Professor Māris Ābelis from University of Latvia, Jānis Jatars and Andris Strejs from Hephatonics Labs. This is cooperation from Latvia University with company Hephatonics Labs. And now the current status. We are presented this satellite laser ranging telescope, which is development together with University of Latvia and this Hephatonics Labs. Now what we did already is this telescope mount sub-assemblies and nodes are designed and manufactured, and assembled and adjustments and tests also are performed. The main mirror are manufactured, secondary mirror is produced, and other completing device also are selected. The foreground of this, the proposed new satellite laser ranging instrument has been designed as a universal telescope platform for two ways: educations, like various technical application training, and the other research for new technologies and application research purpose. The proposed telescope platform is designed for use in a stationary, environmental and as mobile system with complete hardware, including multi-laser system, for different ranging applications into the standard 20 seconds, 40 seconds sea containers, with the telescope mounted in the temporary assembled pavilion on the roof of container. The proposed new satellite laser ranging instrument is designed for multi-object ranging, what can allowing better that we can use this satellite systems 24 hours, 7 days in weeks. Here is this satellite laser telescope system, only model which was made some years ago, on which we want to design this new one which we can use. The main objectives for these main applications in which we can use. The first, high precision ranging the satellite's equipment with reflecting prism. Second, ranging space objects with light dispersion surface, including low Earth orbit, like LEO, nano, and microsatellites, for example, CubeSat. Space debris and other low-flying platforms as airplanes, balloons, rockets, and other with or without retromagnetic elements. Also ranging experiments with dangerous far space objects who is crossing the Earth orbit with this high pulse energy, larger and large aperture telescope as receivers. Also ranging experiments with femtosecond laser for increasing the distance accuracy measurements. Also on LIDAR systems, experiments with wide and spectral range radiation source. And point-to-point space communication link experiments as a ground stations, terminal, or the other optical long-haul communication links. Here is this telescope main framework. And I can use here you can see that we are using this main mirror, second mirror, and how the laser system, receivers, all data where we can get how it looks in a system. Here is some pictures already of not of model but of real this telescope. This is this main mirror with diameter 620 millimeters, and here it looks. Next to this bigger one is this small model which I showed before in picture, from which we made in one view. This is in horizontal, how it looks, how we can rotate it, and also how it's rotating. And that's all. Thank you. Yeah.
Any questions?
This mirror, who has made the mirror?
About mirror, Professor Māris Ābele. He will tell. Because he projected it.
It's made in Russia, but it is not polished in Germany. And Germany, because this certificate, this is a paraboloid mirror with focal length 1.8 meter, and now it's near the telescope, and all this equipment is prepared for put inside, but no, it's not.
I really have a nice chance to tell a few words about Māris. He has designed in total about 50 satellite systems during his active as a working designer, since first satellite training station was established in Riga, and afterwards all this knowledge was distributed around the world. Installed in South America, Ukraine, as well as Potsdam and Finland. It's our advantage that why we are so strong, and now via this record project we recovered a lot of our years very fast, and now we are really strongly moving ahead to keep this position.